So yes, my people, yeah man, see it there? The View Premium Residential Lot for sale in Spur Tree, Manchester. Very close to Kingsland also. So I'm gonna take you a tour, let you all get a view of Spur Tree, the View development. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yeah man, I can't go to the View residential lot, so keep on watching. So it's about roughly about 3 minutes drive from the main of Spur Tree. So enjoy the ride. So I'm taking you all from the entrance. Cool Manchester. So right now I am at the entrance. The View in Spur Tree, Manchester. So if you want to contact, here's the number you can contact. That is 1876 296 0215. So now giving a tour, different lots over there. So keep on watching. So when you're at the view, you can see way over into Rose Hill. That is still in Manchester, same way. That is over the wind farm. Nice view. And you also can see to Alpart in Saint Elizabeth. Yeah man, so if you're not interested, you can contact your number. Yeah man. Very cool place. And trust me, when you're in Spur Tree, very close to Kingsland, is a different type of weather. Very cool place. Look at the view. So straight ahead, that's where the entrance is. So I'm taking you closer where you can see the nice view over into Alpart Saint Elizabeth. Yeah man, you can see it if there's a person like farming, nice soil and everything. So you all can contact the number if you want any place down here. Straight ahead, looking straight ahead, that's where the view is, straight over into Alpart in Saint Elizabeth. Very nice view. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. As you can see, them don't have electricity already. Yeah man.